So we are going to wire the main supply into the indoor unit. This is standard for all the Thermia indoor units. On the far left, you will have your main live connector, your main neutral, and your main earth. To open the connector block, simply put in the screwdriver, hinge up, that will open to allow for the cable to be slotted in. Same for the neutral, push in, hinge up, release the clamp, and finally the earth. Push in, hinge up, let go. Just double check that everything is in fine. Quickly visually check. Everything is connected in. That's the wiring of the main supply to the indoor unit.